Hello YouTube! Some folks might be having trouble using video chat through Facebook. I'm going to show you how to make a video call using Facebook, both on your phone and on the computer. Let's dive in. First, open up your internet browser, whichever one you happen to be using. I like to use Google Chrome. If you go to facebook.com, it'll sign you in if you're already signed in, like I am. If you're not signed in, you'll see a page like this. You just put in your email and your password and you'll sign in, like normal. If you look at the left side of the screen, you'll see a button that says Messenger. If you click on that, you will enter the Messenger page. On the left, you have your list of contacts. You click on the contact that you would like to call, and you see a history of everything that you've sent to them through the Messenger. If you look over to the right near the top, you'll see a phone and a camera. If you click on the phone, you'll have an audio chat, and if you click on the camera, you'll have a video chat. Click on the video, allow. You want to allow the microphone, otherwise they can't hear you. If something pops up saying allow a webcam, click that. I don't actually have a webcam on my computer right now, so that's not going to work on that end. If I did, I imagine there'd be a window that pops up saying, do you want to allow Messenger to access your camera? You want to click yes. My mom's not available, so I can't call her. Now, if you don't have a webcam like me, you have to use your phone, and that's going to be the next part of the video. So you want to make a video call through Facebook with your phone. If you don't have the Facebook app or the Messenger app, go to the search bar on your phone and type in Store. Click on Play Store. Then type in Facebook in the Store's search bar. If you don't have it installed, there will be an Install button instead of the Open button. Install if you haven't done so already. If you scroll down, you'll see an app called Messenger, also made by Facebook. Click on this and install it. Once you have it installed, make sure that you sign into Facebook and sign into Messenger. Then go into your phone settings. If you don't know where that is, you can go into your search bar and type in settings. Then click on apps. Then you want to search Messenger. Click on Messenger. Scroll down to permissions. And make sure that they're set the way that I have them set here. You need the camera on, you need the microphone on, you need the storage on. Everything else is irrelevant. Then go into the Messenger app. If you can't find it, use the search bar, Messenger. Click on Messenger and you will be in the Messenger app. You'll have your list of contacts. Click on the contact that you would like to call. Now you'll see the history of everything that you have said in Messenger in the past. If you look at the top, you'll see the camera button and the phone button. If you click the camera button, you'll start a video call. If your permissions allow your camera and your microphone, you shouldn't have any problems at all.